Avpro is proud to present this Challenger 300, serial number 20450, an aircraft that boasts a large cabin with true coast-to-coast North American range, as well as short airfield takeoff and landing advantages, exceptional performance even under hot and high-altitude conditions, and a Mach 0.82 high-speed cruise. Historically a bestseller for almost a decade, the Challenger 300 continues to reign supreme as the definitive super midsize business jet. Serial number 20450's exterior is completed in overall white fuselage with custom red and blue accent striping. The upper half of the tail is blue with an overlay of stars complemented by red and blue accent striping. The interior houses a stunning 9-passenger configuration and has been meticulously maintained. The forward, fully equipped galley features a pocket door that offers complete privacy. Passenger seating includes a forward 4-place club followed by an aft 3-place divan opposite a 2-place club and finally, an aft belted lavatory. The individual chairs are completed in gray leather, complemented by light-colored high-gloss wood veneer, brushed satin gold-colored plating, sculpted gray carpeting, and a coordinating tan fabric divan. Connectivity and other features include Gogo ATG 5000 Wi-Fi, XM weather and enhanced map overlays, and forward and aft bulkhead monitors. The Challenger 300, serial number 20450, presented exclusively by Avpro. Avpro, celebrating 30 years of excellence.